Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Manzairi and I'm from Johor and I'm studying in University Sultan Zainal Abidin in Faculty of Contemporary Islamic Studies in History and Civilization of Islam. Today I want to share to you all about my assignment and the title is Fashion Bad Habit and the subtopic is smoking. Smoking is an activity that is not beneficial to people and considered normal by society now. And most smokers among teenagers. Smoking is very harmful to our body and can cause various diseases such as heart disease, lung cancer and others. How to prevent smoking activities?
In my opinion, the ways to reduce smoking activities is organize a campaign to teenagers. This campaign can help teenagers to stop smoking and tell to them about effect the smoking to our health. The campaign also can reduce the number of teenagers smokers in Malaysia.
For me, smoking is a bad habit in Malaysia. The ways to reduce this symptom is enforce the law. The government should enforce the law about smoking activities on teenagers, so the teenagers are afraid and they will not involve in smoking activities.
For me, the ways to reduce smoking activity is organize sports that attract teenagers to take part, like football, badminton and volleyballs and others. They do not have time to involve in this negativity, so the smoking activities among teenagers reduce.
In conclusion, smoking is a bad habit that we should avoid and stay away from it. There are no benefits if we smoking and engage with even endanger health. So let us all stay away from cigarette.